Hey, what is up YouTube and welcome back to another tutorial from your boy Hunter. So you are trying to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag in windowed mode, but there's no way to play it in windowed mode, and I'm gonna show you this. This is really, I don't know. It can be really annoying, I know, and me actually always showing you the problem before I fix it, but that's something I have to do. Alright, so just skip past all of this. Alright, so the first thing you always try is Alt Enter, right? Alt Enter. And it, unfortunately, I pressed the wrong button. So Alt Enter, Alt Enter, Alt Enter, Alt Enter, Alt Enter, nothing. It does not work. So I don't know why that's a thing, but yeah. I forgot I was busy with this one, but anyway, then you're gonna go to your settings and it's like, okay, so maybe it's your by general settings, you just go through these. Okay, subtitles, everything, brightness. Okay, that's not it. You go to your graphics. Okay, maybe graphics, maybe it's gonna be over here. Okay, so no, nothing. I mean, I've got 4 of my. Even if I choose any other one of these, it does not want to work. I mean, boom. This is actually my screen resolution supposed to be, but it's not really supposed to be like this. My screen resolution is this one. And still, it's not actually windowed mode. I tried about everything. So I just got irritated. I'm gonna Alt F4. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I promise you. All right. The first thing you're gonna need to do is go to this website. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, this one, Nexus Mods. Go to Nexus Mods. If you just click on the link in the description, you will be able to go to this one. If you don't have a Nexus Mods account, make one, man. It's easy to do. I mean, just click on here. If you have a Nexus Mods account, just sign in. You don't need a premium account. I don't know, try premium account free, but this is not for long. You're gonna pay for it afterwards. So just make a free account with them. It is completely free to make an account. You can see there I am. So I am a member with Nexus Mods. So you can actually make mods and put it in here and wada. But you actually just want this one, Assassin's Creed 5, well, IV, so Assassin's Creed 4, Black Flag, windowed mode, patcher. This is what you need. You're just gonna go, do not use this one, just do a manual download. Click on manual download. You're gonna see a window like this. Just click on slow download. It's gonna ask you where you want to download the thing. Just set it on your desktop, wherever you want to place it. I don't really mind. I don't care where you put it, but that's up to you where you put the thing. Alright, so afterwards you're just gonna minimize this. You're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna put this on the other side. You're gonna go ahead and when you've downloaded this, I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna open file location. You're gonna get something like this. Let me just move this over. So let's say you downloaded, you set it to on your desktop. Okay, you're gonna double click on this and gonna right click and just get out of my face. Why did I do that? Double click on this. You're gonna take this one and you're gonna put it where your Assassin's Creed Black Flag location is, wherever your game location is. Mine is on my D drive, games, Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Wherever the exe for the game is, you're gonna put it right there. I'm not gonna replace it, but you get the idea. Alright, so I'm gonna close this down. I can actually just put this in my trash bin. Alright, so now you're gonna have to double click on this one. So window mode patcher for Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. Press yes, just Y and enter. Now this is by Sunbeam. Go ahead and give them some love, man. They made an awesome freaking mod. So it says, thanks for going to Sunbeam. Assassin's Creed current mode equals full screen offset found. Patch to window mode. Okay, so we're patched to window mode. Yeah, I was like, okay, how's this gonna work? So I just ran the game again, and oh my god, it's in windowed mode. Holy shit. You're welcome. What can I say except you're welcome? Alright, so the last thing I need you to know is do not try to use borderless gaming for this, because it will bug out the Assassin's Creed Black Flag. You know, it will bug out the whole thing. So instead, just if you're using a capture, so if you're using window capture, make sure you got a window capture or a game capture, depending on what you want to use it for. I mean, you can just go to your, not your window capture, I'm going to turn this off. I need the window capture. You can see it actually has these white bands at the bottom, so you can actually just drop this down. So I'm gonna show my window capture real quickly, my display capture. So you're gonna have to, on the thing, you're just gonna have to crop this down a little bit. So hold in your Alt button and just crop it down. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So it's hard to do while you're actually in the looking thing, but you can see the way it's cropping now. So now it's cropped. So now I should be able to properly play Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Because if I crop this down, you can see the white bands up and down. You can see that. I don't want that. So just until it's actually gone. Then we're going to go back to Assassin's Creed Black Flag, and you shouldn't be able to see any weirdness going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do a little demonstration. I'm just going to go ahead where I left off. Yay. Awesome. I can Alt Tab. Let me put my recording on the other side. Okay, so, but it actually freezes the game when you Alt Tab, and it lags out a little bit. Yo ho, all together, boys, the colors high. Heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die. Shut up. Okay, I just Alt tabbed. I just Alt enter, Alt F4, because I don't want to play the whole fucking game. So that's how you can play Assassin's Creed Black Flag in windowed mode. You're welcome. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you found this useful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit those notification bells to always be new when the next video comes out. I'm serious about the notifications, because if you don't get notified about my videos, everything nowadays is actually shorts, and I don't really do shorts. I don't even wear shorts, so I don't know where the shorts come from. Why would you want to watch a video that loops over and over and over and over and over? Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I am pretty sick, so that's why I'm talking like this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.